Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So this is a new feature that we can use on our future references. Now, all you have to do is to choose any chats or a group chat from WhatsApp, then tap this plus button on the bottom left corner of your phone and tap poll, which is in the last option, and then you can type in the question that you want to ask with someone or most probably in a group chat here in WhatsApp. And then once you have written your question in the box, then you can now add your options. You can add 2 or more options if you wish to, and then you can allow multiple answers, or if you don't want to allow multiple answer, you can just untoggle that button and then click send. Now you will be able to see the poll on that certain chat, and then you can also view the votes if you wish to view it. Now that's the whole process of creating a poll in WhatsApp. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.